up, guys? This goes with CALI Rebuildables, and today is Wednesday, and I know that some of you have been waiting on the 750 finished. So today's that day, guys. I'm gonna do a walk around. The sun is perfect. Let me switch the camera. As you can see, it's a nice day to show you guys the car. The car is back there, so let's get to it. Now, one of the things that you guys might want to see, this is a carbon fiber hood. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it looks pretty cool. Tinted tail lights. Probably can't see on this side because of the sun, but CALI Rebuildable. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go and check and show you guys what was done to the car after I got it. There's a couple of things that got done. You guys seen the paint. That's one of the biggest things that got done to the car, even though it didn't change the way it looked because it was already black. But let's go check it out. Okay, guys, so like I said, the paint was the main thing that got done to the car. The car was all scratched up. If you know what I'm talking about, go back to my other videos and you'll see when I bought the car out of Copart, and it was all scratched up. I resanded everything, covered the scratches. So got the scratches filled up and got the car painted. I painted it myself, me and my brother actually. And well, it's a different shade of black. It was, I think, sapphire black before. And for me to buy that same paint was like 600 bucks. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna pay 600 bucks for that paint. So since the car's already black, This jet black paint. That was $200. So we went for a jet black, since the car, like I said, was already black. There was no need to paint to go back to the exact same color, because the exact same color is going to be pretty expensive. So the paint was, like I said, one of the biggest things that was done to the car cosmetically. You know, outside, the rims were like that. I bought the rims. I bought the car with the wheels, with the rims. So all I did to the rims were the vinyl. So I vinyl wrapped the rims, because they had a machine look this. Once again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to my videos and see how I did it. The lip was already black. I tinted the tail lights, which those look pretty cool. What else? I like them. Those are pretty cool. Oh, the carbon fiber wrap on the hood also was done to the car. I removed the car's transmission mechatronics. I lowered that. Remember, the car didn't stay on drive, didn't go in gear, so I lowered that thing down. The pan, the mechatronics, I changed all the seals, new fluid, a relay also on the transmission, and you know, that got the car back running pretty good, pretty smooth. And if you guys remember, also the car was smoking out the pipe. So I got that fixed. I took that to a shop, and they got that fixed. That's pretty much it that was done to the car, guys. Interior is the same. I haven't done nothing to the interior besides wrapping that with carbon fiber. Everything else is basically the same. For the music, I'm using that's an FM transmitter, I believe it is. I really don't know what that is. That thing's called a Bluetooth FM transmitter. I'll just connect my Bluetooth to that, and then play it on the station, on an FM station. So that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, I also smoked these little side markers. What I like most of the car is the carbon fiber hood wrap, the wrap on the hood. That's really cool, man. I like the way it looks. I didn't know how it was gonna look. I had it in my. That's the way I had it in my head that it would look, and it came out the exact same way I thought it was gonna come out. I wanted the trunk also wrapped, but I didn't get enough vinyl wrap, and that was the problem. I couldn't, and plus the trunk was really difficult to get. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of this car, how everything turned out, and what you guys like about the car, what you guys don't like about the car. Sorry about the noise, guys. Another thing I upgraded, guys, was those halo rings. I did the LED to white because they were yellow. I also did the fog lights. So let's check those out right now. way the car turned out, guys. Like I said, so let me know what you guys think of the car. I'm gonna make a video also of the whole build. Since I bought the car, I'm just gonna be, you know, putting short small clips of the car since I got it to where it's at right now. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of this car. Also check out my other videos, like, subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys in the next one.